makeup tutorial about the same makeup that I have right now. So hope you like it. Let's get started. So first, I'm gonna grab my hair. To get it out of the way, just like I'm gonna get my oil control mist primer because I have like oily skin some parts, as you can see. Just gonna spray it before I put my makeup on. Be careful with your eyes because it kind of does burn, but it won't do anything damaging to your eyes. It does feel like it's burning. And I always put it on my eyebrows because it's also primer. I'm gonna start out with my eyebrows with this. It's Ardo Professional. I'm gonna do my eyebrows really quick, like speed, so I will be talking. Concealer to fix out any rough edges. And I'm gonna get a natural nude, like a natural color, a skin tone color. Put it all over. And get orange and just put it right on my crease. Okay, so now I'm gonna add like a little bit of tone, meaning I'm gonna add a pinkish, well no, more like a red. Kind of. We'll mix pink and red. Just like this one. It's like smaller than my finger. So now I'm gonna add brown right on the back end of it. Now I'm gonna add lightly on the black right on the back corner, the end corner right here. Now I'm gonna add gold right here. And get like a tiny one. It's tinier than my pinky. I'm gonna do some highlights. So that would be, it's gonna be off camera. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and I hope you get some ideas, and if you do, comment down below, and if you have more ideas for a new video, comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and hope you like it. Bye.
I do not wear makeup to impress you. And I don't wear makeup because I'm insecure. Because frankly, I look good without makeup. Beside the point. Irrelevant. Anyways, I do not wake up in the morning and think, I'm gonna paint my eyelids blue because Josh loves blue. I'm gonna flick the eyebrow because Josh loves the flick of the wrist. No!